SR del square x s by del x bar I del x bar j, okay, into del xr by del x bar I plus GSR del xs by del x bar k del square xr by del x bar j del x bar k. Okay, so here 6. What I did here is changing T to S. So I got 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. Now क्या करने का? Use 4, 5 and 6 in 3. Okay, use 4, 5 and 6 in 3. 3 in 2. 4, 5 and 6 in 2. Okay, then you will get this transformation law for this. Okay. So carefully write that. So we are up to this now. Using 4, 5 and 6 in 2 we get आपका नोटबुक में देखे लिखने का गामा बार ijk is equal to half is common. Okay, and I am writing 5 and 6 first. 5 and 6 first, then subtract 4. That is what I have to do, isn't it? Do you follow me or not?
Yes, sir.
5 and 6 first लिखो, फिर 4 इसमें से subtract करो. So that is what precisely you have to do. So write that 5 and 6. What is 5? Del GST by del XR into del XS by del X bar J del XT by del X bar K del XR by del X bar I. So that plus. Okay, if you look, you can GRS is common. GRS is common. GRS and SR, they are same. So that's why I take this common, and this will be what is inside del square XS by del X bar I del X bar J del X bar J. Okay, into del XR by del X bar K plus del XS by del X bar J into del square XR by del X bar I del X bar K. This is 5 plus 6. So half is always common. So this plus 6 means this one. SR and SRN a common idhar le lo. So what you will get? Del GTR by del XS del XS by del X bar J del XT by del X bar K del XR by del X bar I plus GSR. GSR is the same as GRS. Okay, बाकी क्या आएगा? del square XS by del X bar I del X bar J इधर थोड़ा मिस्टेक आया. I J एक K आना चाहिए. इसका पहले वाला देखो.
Sir, in the sixth equation, the first one should be replaced. It has not been replaced. Del G, then TR की जगह पे SR होगा sir.
इधर है ना.
In equation 6.
इसमें आपने रिप्लेस किया तो टी आर डेल स्क्वायर एस के जगह आर एस टी, आई के जगह जे आएगा. इधर जे आना चाहिए ना. जे के जगह के आएगा. ओके, दिस इज आई. सो इधर एक मिस्टेक किया. टी आई के जगह जे आएगा. सो दिस इज जे and this is j के जगह k आएगा. This is k. And this is right. So either j and this is k and this is I. इधर एक मिस्टेक है. j के जगह k, I के जगह j, k के जगह I. Okay, so there's a mistake actually. Okay, so now here it will be del square xs by del x j. This is j and this is k into del xr by del xi. So lot of mistake आ सकते हैं इसमें. So this plus अभी इसका del xs by del x bar k del square xr by del xj del x bar j del x bar k. So this is the second term. बाकी subtract करने का minus. What is the first term? First term will be minus del g rs by del xt del xr by del x bar I del xs by del x bar j del xt by del x bar k. Okay, so minus grs common del square xr by del x bar k into del x bar I del xs by del x bar j plus del xr by del x bar I del square xs by del x bar k del x bar j. Okay, ऐसा है. Now, so bracket is closed now. See whether I can cancel some term or not. Okay, for example, jks and I. So if you look to these two terms, they are same. Okay, then KIR S and J. So you can see that this term can be cancelled. Okay, did you write it?
Yes, sir.
Now the other term will not cancel because it is you know, here it is ij, here it is jk, so that will not cancel it. So I did like this. Let me look into this and group the terms together. So this is equal to, अभी मैं कैसे लिखा आप देखो, half, okay, into del gst by del xr plus del gtr by del xs minus del grs by del xt. This into whatever is coming is common. You can see del xs by del xj del x bar j, del x, you can take RST like that. SK जगह J आएगा. Okay. So it is del x R by del xi del xi del x s by del xj del xk by del xt by del xk x bar k. So this is common in all this, and बाकी ये आ जाएगा plus GRS. Okay, GRS इधर भी GRS, SR को इंटरचेंज करो, तो SR को इंटरचेंज करे तो इधर क्या मिलेगा? Del square, ये R इधर S and R you interchange it, then you will get this quantity and this quantity are same, and half of this, so it will become the full one. So I will have GRS into del square x raised to s by del x bar I del x bar j. आपको समझ में आ गया? इधर RS, इधर del square में x R है, इधर x s है, and del xs by del xk del R by del k. So what you can do is that you can interchange. I can interchange this because that's a dummy. So if I interchange, then this will become the same as this one. So half of them, so it will become the full one. Okay. Now this is equal to. What is this actually? Can you tell me what is this? What is this? This much?
Sigma RST.
This is nothing but gamma RST into del xr by del x bar I del xs by del x bar j del xkt by del x bar k plus GRS into del square xs upon del x bar I del x bar j. So that is your gamma bar ij. Okay. Now can you tell me something by looking into this transformation? Can you tell me something by looking into the transformation?
It does not follow transformation.
So suppose it will not follow the transformation of a matrix. What further you observe in this? What further you observe in this?
It has an additional term.
Very good, very good. So this is what, suppose you imagine that suppose the second term was not there. Suppose the second term was not there. It would have been a tensor, isn't it? So here you suppose if you just to remove this term, then this is following, actually it is following the transformation law for a covariant tensor of rank 3. If I have only up to this, it is a tensor. But unfortunately, I have one more additional term that will remove the tensorial nature of that. So from this, I can say that it is not a tensor. So this is the idea. That comment I will write below. This is the transformation law. This is the transformation law. This is the transformation law for Christoffel symbol. For Christoffel symbol of first kind. of first chain. The appearance of the second chain on RHS shows that gamma ijk does not transform like a tensor. Okay, so this is what you prove that it is not a tensor. Now, what is the corresponding law for Christoffel symbol of second kind? That I will not derive it by merely write and give you. Okay, the transformation law for Christoffel symbol of the second kind is gamma bar ijk equal to gamma RST del x bar I by del x R del x S by del x bar J del x K by del x T by del x bar K plus del square XR upon del x bar J del x bar K del x bar I by del XR. Okay, and here GRS etc. This will not come here because then if you want to raise the index you have to multiply with an G upper conjugate से multiply करने का तो delta हो जाएगा, तो that is why it is not appearing here. So this is the transformation law. So this transformation law tells that it is not a tensor at all. Okay, and now when we go to the covariant derivative etc., we need a result which I can derive from here. So that is I write an important result, an important formula. Yes. Okay, I want to derive some formula from this. Okay, that is this. We have gamma bar ijk is equal to gamma RST, the same thing I am writing, del x bar I by del XR, del x S by del x bar J, del xt by del x bar K plus del square XR by del x bar J, del x bar K, del x bar I by del XR. Okay. Now suppose I am multiplying throughout by del xp by del x bar I, we get. Okay, I am multiplying throughout by this quantity, this partial derivative. Then what I will get? On the left side I have del xp by del x bar I into gamma bar ijk is equal to gamma RST del xp by del x bar I to del x bar I by del XR del xs by del x bar J del xt by del x bar K plus del square XR by del x bar j del x bar k into del xp by del x bar I del x bar I by del x r. Okay, so this is equal to. Now you know I can combine these two times. Del xp by del x bar I del x r by this one. Okay, so this is gamma rst. This is xp, this is xr, same coordinate system, so it is nothing but delta pr. Okay, by chain rule. Then del xs by del x bar j del xt by del x bar k plus del square xr by del x bar j del x bar k. What is this? This is p and r, so this is also delta pr. I get this. Okay, so this will the survival, you know, this is gamma p is the same as r, then it will survive, otherwise it will become 0. So ye p ye r ko p substitute kare to ye 1 aa jayega, isn't it? So this is nothing but gamma pst del xs by del x bar j del xt by del x bar k plus इधर भी r को p करने का, so it is del square xp by del x bar j del x bar k. Okay, so wherever the second derivative is there, the second derivative, what is the second derivative? It is del square xp by del x bar I del x bar j del x bar k. This is a second derivative. Second derivative I am writing in terms of first derivative. आप इधर देखो, इधर first derivative है दोनों, इधर भी gamma में भी first derivative ही होते. So a second derivative how will you express in terms of purely the first derivative? Okay, so this will be del xp by del x bar I into gamma bar I j k minus gamma p st del x s by del x bar j del xt by del x bar k. Okay, so this is an important formula. Why it is an important formula? This will be useful later in the sense that a second derivative is there that you can write in terms of a first derivative. So this is the thing. Okay, and similarly suppose इसका ये x है नीचे x bar है, इसको उल्टा करो, so you will get similarly we can show, similarly we write, I can write this in this form. Del square x bar I by del xr del xs, because bar comes ऊपर और नीचे, then this can be converted into gamma t sr. This you just remember, I am not deriving this, del x bar I by del xt, then minus gamma bar ijk, this is bar ijt into del x bar t by del xs del x bar j by del xt. Okay, so this is these two formulas. So this is what you just I tell you to remember this formula. Okay, and then if you have this formula, I can talk something on the covariant derivative. Okay, the covariant derivative. So you know, because it is a curved space, our usual derivative, when you say the usual derivative, you take the changes along x-axis and y-axis, which are orthogonal. X-axis is a straight line and y-axis is a straight line. Okay, so there you are taking the derivative in the constant direction. Now, if you have a curvilinear coordinate, what happens? At each point when you take the derivative, the direction is different because it is a curve. So our usual definition for derivative will not work here. So we have to make the derivative in the tensorial form. So that is what our last topic. So that is the covariant differentiation of tenses. Okay. So next, covariant differentiation. Of tenses. Okay. Now, first you are looking for covariant differentiation of a covariant vector. Okay. So I may write the first thing, covariant differentiation of a covariant vector. So सबसे सिंपल वाले से शुरू करते हैं, covariant vector. It's a tensor of rank 1. Tensor of rank 0 तो 0 होगी उसका derivative. Okay. So I consider let Ti be the component of a covariant vector. Then the transformation is you know what is the transformation of a covariant vector? अभी आपने exam लिखा है, T bar I is equal to TR into del XR by del X bar I. Okay, so this is one. Now you want to differentiate with respect to some X bar K. Okay, so differentiating equation 1 with respect to X bar K, we get, because this is T bar, so I have to differentiate with respect to X bar. Then what I will get? Del into T bar I by del X bar K is equal to del by del X bar K of TR del XR by del X bar I. Okay, so here I use the product rule. So what I will get? So del TR by del X bar K into del XR by del X bar I plus TR into del square XR by del X bar K del X bar I. Okay, so that's why here is a second order derivative is appearing. That an important formula, you can use it here. So that's why, that was my purpose. I want to apply it here. Okay, so now how I write that? So this is equal to we have still 5 minutes. So this is equal to del TR by del XS del XS by del X bar K, and del xr by del x bar I. I think I understood this. इधर इसको चेन रूल करके मैं ऐसा लिखा, this plus tr into gamma bar sik del xr divided by del x bar s minus gamma rst del xs by del x bar I del xt del x bar k. Okay. Oh, which one I used here? Now you may be remembering. I am using this one. I use this formula. Del x bar j, del x bar del p. So this formula I am using. Okay. So आप उधर mention करो using the formula, using the important formula. Okay. So using the important formula. उसका कुछ नंबर दे दो, फिर उधर लिखो using this particular formula. So I got this. Now this is equal to del tr by del xs del xr by del x bar I del xs by del x bar k. I interchanged this, that's all. Plus tr into, अभी आप देखो इसका कंबाइनली ले लो, a और a कंबाइनली ले लो. So what is that? Can you tell me? tr and a ले लो, so what you will get?
T bar s.
T bar s. Okay, so you will get a T bar s. That's fine. T bar s. Tensor transformation. Gamma bar sik. Okay, so that minus gamma rst, then I have tr del xs by del x bar I del xt del x bar k. Okay, so this is equal to del tr by del xs del xr by del x bar I del xs by del xk plus I just write T bar T gamma bar T ik. मैं इतना ही किया, ये इसको ये डमी को मैं T कर दिया. So this minus gamma tst tt del xs by del x bar I del xs R को this yes RS कर दो. RS. This is del x S by del x bar K. And this is, we put it at this R. क्या किया? इधर T को S किया. So this T and this T. So that will become S and S. Okay, S को R किया. So this S and this S, that will become R. R को T किया. R को T किया. So that's all. So I will write down that what I did is R को T किया. R changed to T. Yes, you changed it to R, and T you changed to S. Because they are dummy, I can do that. Okay, there is some advantage of doing that. Okay, so now let me write one step and then I will stop here. That is del T bar I by del x bar K, that's the left side, x bar K, minus this I take to that side. Okay, gamma bar T I K into T bar T. So this is I take to left side. So that is equal to del TR by del XS minus gamma TRS into TT, this into whatever is, you can see that it is common. So del XR by del X bar I del XS by del X bar K, del X bar K. Bar. Okay? X bar के आना चाहिए ना ये बार. Okay, and I give you something to think on this. अभी आप ये bracketed quantity देखो, and ये भी देखो. Okay, can you infer something from this? That is what the question I leave you, and we will continue next time. Okay. So thank you all.
सर सर यहाँ पर ये जो डमी था इसका मतलब यही ना कि साइक्लिक सॉरी वो इंटरचेंज होगा तो वो चेंज नहीं होगा उसकी वैल्यू.
नहीं होगा because dummy you can take any this one, because you see here T is a dummy. T is coming upper and lower, so it is a dummy. So I changed that T to S. This is S and this is S. Okay, but the other dummy S इधर है ना, वो तो उसको change करना पड़ेगा आपको. उस S के लिए दूसरा नाम दिए. So that is all. ठीक है? Okay. So I am leaving now.